accept. Yes. Please share your screen.
All right.
Yes.
Let's see.
Please open your camera. This is helpful with me. Please open your.
I'm not on my. Okay. I don't have my other computer on.
I'm call int messenger and tell you everything. Zoom meeting.
I don't have. Okay, so I like made you a co-host. You have something to pull up, right? Can you get it now? I don't have my
Yes.
You see it? Co-host.
Share your screen and please open your camera. So it is helpful with me.
So what are you saying about the camera?
Okay, no problem. Please share your screen.
Okay, you have documented something to share. Go ahead and share it.
Look down, share screen one option. Please click this share screen option, then share your screen. And your pics are very nice. Your looks good. You Muslim, right?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
What about you?
Good. Yes, same country.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay. So are you going to pull something up on the screen for Santori?
Yes, look, share screen option. Just click share screen option, then look left side, one option, screen share.
You're not sharing it. I don't see the document. I don't see the document. I don't see the document. You're supposed to be sharing it, and I don't see the document, whatever it is.
Yes,
you sharing with me, I give you co-host. I'll make you host. You host.
Yes,
I made you co-host.
Yes, look, I share my screen.
Oh, there you go.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. But I don't see anything on it, but it just came up. Okay, I see fish.
Look, if you open your laptop, then right side, look this logo. If you look your picture, so it is my logo and this is my channel. Okay, so if you look your picture and then click here.
Which one?
Right side. First open,
right side.
Yes, first go to YouTube, then look
the Digital Marketing IT Institute.
Yes, this is my channel. So next look your channel option. Can you see?
Okay. Yes.
Click
I
your
see.
channel.
Yeah. Are you saying look on my channel?
Yes, I need your channel access. Just I show up my channel. Then look customize channel option. Can you see? Customize channel option. Can you see? My mouse look. Customize channel. Yeah, look, customize channel. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, so click customize channel and go to your channel dashboard. Okay, so look, I'm going to my channel dashboard and see everything. Just give me 1 minute, loading now, then open my dashboard. Your
what do you mean? I
best problem.
Sharing it out.
Yeah, look, I'm open my dashboard. So look, this is my channel dashboard. Okay, so next you click look left side and down setting option. Can you see setting?
Yes.
And then click setting option and open view option.
Okay.
Your display.
Open up my other.
Look, then open general channel upload default permission community agreement. You just click permission option. Okay, Look, permission.
Okay.
So click permission and open. I am owner this channel, so it is my channel. Okay. And if you
Okay.
access any people, so look, manager, my two Gmail, and both this is my owner Gmail and this my manager Gmail. So if you give me manager access, so just click here, okay,
Yes.
and put my Gmail. Put my Gmail. I sent this Gmail you your messenger. So if you just put here and give me manager access, and next look right side save option. Just click save it. Then automatically one message come to my Gmail and I accept this
Anyways. So I'm supposed to share that.
Yes, your screen sharing now. 1 minute. Just blackened my display. Loading now. Yes, your screen shared now. And go to YouTube.
Go to YouTube.
Yes.
That's crystal clear audio.
Open new tab and search YouTube.
Okay, let me go to YouTube. On here.
Yes, look YouTube logo, just click YouTube.
Okay. New share.
Yes.
I think this is my YouTube share.
Is it crypto.com?
Okay, can you see that?
Yes, the loading now. Just wait. Your display file. Yes, and look your picture right side.
Look at what?
Your picture. Right side top up.
I'm not understanding.
Look your okay. I sent a control request. Okay, you accept and I control your PC. Request control.
Proof. Okay. There you go.
You accept my request?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So look here your picture. Can you see?
My own screen?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Your
I see it.
picture. Just click it your picture and click user see. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You tell me to do something.
Yes.
What do you want me to do?
But it's not working. Please click here.
Click it.
Yes, here. And look
Okay.
your channel option. Your
See
channel.
that? Your channel.
Yes.
Okay.
The next, open your channel and look customize channel.
Look
Right
at
side,
what?
customize channel.
Customize
Yes,
channel.
right.
Yeah.
And then go to your dashboard and everything open now. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
And look down setting option. Setting. Yes.
Settings. Okay.
Right side, left side down.
On the left.
Down. Look
Left
down.
sidebar.
No bar task. Just look. Yes.
Okay.
And next permission. Just click permission.
Okay.
Phone number option. Yes. And look invite option. Right side top.
The setup part is already
Look at where?
Yes. Invite option. Just click invite. Yes. And
Okay.
here put my Gmail. I sent this Gmail your messenger.
Okay. Is that correct?
Yes. The correct.
Okay.
and save. Look, save.
Okay.
Save.
Set. Okay.
Right side down. Save option. Just click save. Yes.
Gotcha.
And proceed.
Proceed.
Yes. And look, now I'm manager your channel. Can you see my picture
Gotcha.
and my Gmail? I'm manager and you owner this channel. Understand? Now I'm fully control your
Go to channel.
everything. Yeah. No,
Here.
no. If you see
Okay. Go
down
ahead.
picture, now I'm manager your channel.
Okay. Okay.
So
Right.
if you need monetization package or only channel and video SEO service package.
Okay.
Tell me which service needed now.
What is what?
Which service you needed now? You need channel SEO and video SEO service or full channel monetization service.
Okay.
If you need monetization service, then your video over the world YouTube viral. And if you need SEO service only, so your any people find your targeted keyword, so search it and then show your channel.
Okay. You say SEO.
Yes.
I think yesterday you mentioned three things.
Okay.
You said SEO.
Now needed SEO.
What else?
Only channel SEO or channel and video both.
Okay, I'm not clearly hear you, Roy. I think I need to write by email, so that I can be clear, and you explain to me.
Okay. If you
and I may need to pick it up by email and contact you back on the phone on the Zoom, because I need to go to the next spot. But you already set up for the manager, right?
Yes,
okay.
I'm everything set up, manage, and create attractive banner. If you just give me
that banner, that's not the one.
Okay.
That brew thing.
Your banner.
You remember?
Yes, look, your banner not good. Your banner cutted.
Yeah, I don't want that. Yeah, that needs to be changed out to something else.
Your picture same cutted. You added your picture, so short picture added now, and look full your face here. And if you need logo, so I will create attractive logo for here.
Okay. Well, I have a logo that I use.
Yes, if you
1000 Great Minds logo.
Okay.
Yeah. So I need to communicate with you by email, and I need to hang up and come back later.
Okay.
Yeah. So email me the information about the SEO and the banner and the other things, and then I can respond back in writing.
If you need banner SEO service.
Right. Now you were telling me about the YouTube channel and monetization.
Yes, YouTube channel monetization. It is very helpful. Your video.
I got that. But I need to identify what I need for you to do for me, and you tell me what. And when you respond in my email, what options I have.
If you need email.
Yeah. Email me. Let's communicate by email, because we're not on FIVERR. Okay.
Okay.
But I need to go now and just email me, and I'll respond back.
Okay.
And give you direction. Then we'll jump back on FIVERR and pay you whatever need to be done.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll close out at this point.
Yes.
Come back.
come to Gmail. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for
All right.
your
You will.
time.
Yes, sir. Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Thank you.